In 2026, the bridge between an idea and a market-ready product is shorter than ever, but only if you're using the right tools. SOLIDWORKS remains the industry standard for 3D design. But with the recent update, choosing the right package is a strategic business decision. Today, we are breaking down the 4 tiers of SOLIDWORKS: Standard, Professional, Premium, and the new Ultimate. Helps you to decide which one suits for your business and powers your innovation. In 2026, Dassault System has streamlined the portfolio, while the core DNA of SOLIDWORKS remains consistent. The integration of cloud-connected features and AI-driven design assistance spans across the 4 distinct levels: SOLIDWORKS Standard, SOLIDWORKS Professional, SOLIDWORKS Premium, and SOLIDWORKS Ultimate. The foundation. This package covers 3D part modeling, assembly modeling, 2D production drawings, sheet metal, weldments, and the plastic mold design. In 2026, it includes the AI Design Assistant for automating repetitive sketching tasks. Built for maximum efficiency, Professional adds the toolbox, a massive library of standard parts, PhotoView 360 for photorealistic rendering, the SOLIDWORKS PDM standard for data management. It's all about working faster and keeping your files organized. This is where design meets engineering validation. Premium introduces linear static simulation, allowing you to test your part under stress before you prototype. It also includes advanced wire routing and piping capabilities, essential for complex electromechanical systems. New for 2026, the Ultimate package is the All Access Pass. It is fully integrated with the 3D Experience platform, providing advanced generative design, multi-physics simulation FEA CFD, and full project lifecycle management. It is also built for the team that needs to collaborate with globally in the cloud unified environment. How you buy is just as important as what you buy. I will explain you the model of licensing based on your usage. In perpetual licensing model, you own the software forever. It is higher upfront cost and offers long-term stability. Coming to term licensing model, it is the subscription-based model, quarterly or annually. It is great for the scaling teams up or down based on the project load. Now explore single user versus network. Choose single user for dedicated workstations, or choose network to float your license across larger team of designs, engineers, to ensuring you maximize your ROI. So, where do you fit? Standard is perfect for freelancer and startups focusing on pure mechanical design. Professional is the sweet spot for mid-sized manufacturing companies who need to manage larger libraries and multiple designers. Premium is for engineering consultancies and R&D departments where simulation and testing are non-negotiable. Ultimate is designed for enterprise-level organization requiring seamless global collaboration and high-end validation. Ready to see this tool in action? Every workflow is unique, and our experts are ready to show you how these packages fit your specific needs. Click the link in the description or visit our website to request a detailed one-on-one demo today. Let's build the future together.